How to write a digital signature request with Viafirma. To start any signature request, first you have to select and upload the documents to sign. As you can see, here we can edit the names of the documents and delete them. You can upload the files from the computer or from your own Google Drive account. When uploading files, we can use templates to retrieve documents with fields that we have previously configured. Once all documents are uploaded, in the Signer section we can add how many users we want to send the documents to, adding the data by hand or importing it from a list. When creating a signer, you have to fill in its personal data and choose the way that it is going to sign. Viafirma allows you to send requests by email or telephone, or to create a signature point for a signer who is personally with you. Next, we can order the existing signers. In case your application needs it, you have the possibility to set up a sign-in order so that the signers access the application in a staggered manner. If they are placed at the same time, they will both receive the signature notification and will be able to respond at the same time. We recommend establishing a signature order when signing with a digital signature. Our signature request writing tools allows you to save signer blocks for later use with name and description. With this feature, you can automate your processes and save your time in the future. The Request Attachments feature allows you to ask signers to upload documents during their signing process, files that you can then download from the dashboard as they are added. You can use this feature to include specific instructions from the signer and request legal or task documentation, such as a PDF or a photo of a document or ID card. The third step in the signature request writing process is the field editor. Here we can see the documents we have uploaded and add the fields to be completed by each signer. At this point, we can adapt the position of the field in the document. The editor allows you to move the fields comfortably, indicating to which recipient it is assigned with colors and the page where you want to find it. On the right side, we can see a summary at all times of the fields we have assigned to each signer. Among other important fields, we can have handwritten signatures, digital certificate signatures, one-time use codes by phone or email, extra images, text boxes, and dates. The Document Times tab verifies that the document has been electronically signed, and we can move it to any of the document borders. In case you want to place a field in an exact position, the Site Inspector allows you to edit this location and dimensions pixel by pixel if you so want. Once we have the request ready, in the last section we can see a summary of all the previous information. Here we can edit the title of the request, the subject, the email or SMS with which the signers will be notified, and define all the recipients who will receive a copy of the documents when the signing is finished. The advanced options allow you to set a time limit for the completion of the signing of the documents, as well as a reminder for the signatories if they do not complete the request. Once we have everything ready, we press the confirm and send button, and that's it. We have sent the signature request and we can wait knowing that it is in process. We'll keep listening to your feedback in order to improve and offer the best service for each of the companies that trust us.